Hello everyone. Well, I really do have one more advice for you all. Basically, when I was, I think, 17 years old, I read a very interesting book which was called The Slight Edge by Jeff Olsen. I looked it up before to start recording this video because I didn't really remember the author. However, this book was all about the small choices that we make every day, right? And this is something very important which I want to point out to all of you. I really observe a lot of very smart people, a lot of very ambitious people tending to finish the work in the last couple of days. They think that this is not a big deal, that they would cope with it, but this leads to so much stress and they reduce the quality of the work as well, from which other people are suffering. And basically what I want to point out to you is, first, maybe if you're interested in this topic, read this book. You can find it in PDF and you can find it in almost every bookstore, I think. And secondly, try to understand one very important saying. It is very important the direction which you go and not the pace, right? And if you know if you have a vision for your targets, so to say, for your achievements, how they should look like, and you walk towards them in the right direction, do not try to play with the pace, do not try to make it very fast, because when you decide to do it in the last moments, basically you're doing it in a very fast manner. But just try to appreciate the learning process from it and try to do small steps every day in the right direction, especially if you want something bigger, if you want, for instance, to become developer, or if you want, for instance, to become enterprise architect or whatever it is, or an accountant, I don't know. You just have to understand that if you stay up every day and if you think like 1 hour about a specific topic, you will get so far away in comparison to the people who decide to do something in the last moment or for a couple of days because they want to achieve it, but it doesn't really function like this, chaps. All the best.